Hi everyone, I'm Martina and I'm a ninja. It's my birthday, so you better treat me nice. Last Sunday, as you probably have seen on Instagram, I did a show. I went on stage to do a concert with my guitar after all the lockdown. Today I'm talking about how was last week, how did all happen, how was it and everything, because I know that some of you are around the world, so you weren't there. Basically, everything started. I had this opportunity because during lockdown, I really wanted to do a live in my personal Instagram account because one of my shows got cancelled because of coronavirus, so I wanted to a show on Instagram. So I found random on Instagram that my voice coach was doing an Instagram live for a festival called Cultura Fest Sabadell, which was a festival of my city, an online festival where you did lives. So what I decided is to write a mail for them. Then I got an answer telling that I could perform. Yeah, it was really cool. Then after lockdown, we have every September, before starting school again, we do a thing that it's just like 3 days of a big party in our city, where it's full of concerts, full of activities, full of parties, a lot of things to do. This festival texted me saying that they are going to do the same, but they're actually on a stage. And they were about to do it in this big party that we have in our city. And I was like so thankful that I could be part of this big party. But then because of coronavirus, they decided to cancel the big party, so it wasn't a big party this year. But then they texted me again saying that they are going to do the same, but not in this big party, the third week of September. And I was like, that's great. To prepare a show, the thing that is really, really difficult for me is to choose the songs that I want to do and the order of the songs. That's just literally, I went crazy doing these kind of things because I don't want to do the same songs all the time, because the shows that I did are always in my city and more or less the audience is the same. So I want to do something different, but I don't know which songs to pick, what to do. It's really, really difficult for me. In the other shows that I did was an hour long, and this show was only 30 minutes, so I had to leave so many songs out. After choosing the songs, I just literally choose the songs a week before. I went so late. So the day of the concert, I woke up and I had to be there for the sound check at 11 a.m. I think. Then I got a problem that my guitar was wrong. I need to go to my friends to find something that I needed for my guitar. Everything was so confusing. I don't know why everything was like kind of going super fast. So I went to the place of the concert with my mom, and it was the sound check. And there was full of people doing things. And I was like, okay, I'm here. And it was the other bands that were playing, they were all together and I was alone with my mom, and I felt so lonely. Like everyone knows each other and I don't know anyone. And always what happened to me is that when I got to the place, it seems so big. It seems so big and everything is so professional that I think, what the hell I'm doing here? I'm gonna disappoint them. Literally, I always have this feeling like there was a boy singing before me. So I saw this concert, even though I wasn't listening that much because my brain was thinking a lot of things. Am I going to do it well? Am I going to disappoint them? Is it everything going to work fine? And a worry that I had, a big worry that I had, is that you had to buy tickets and the tickets weren't sold out. So I had this feeling like, is it going to be full? Is it going to come people? I had like a backstage where we were waiting, but the other boy was performing, so I couldn't warm up my voice. And I was like, fuck, oh. I was like, oh my god, how I'm going to warm up my voice? So I had to warm up my voice in the middle of the street. Literally. And the people were walking to the street and they were looking at me like, what is this girl doing? Then, what happened? I don't know what happened next. Oh yeah. Then the show of the boy was... Then the show of the boy... Then the show of the boy was done. And I had to do the sound check. So I did the sound check really quick. And then the audience started to come. And I was in the backstage and I was like, is it going to be enough people? Is it going to be okay? Then my friends got into the backstage to say hi to me. And I was like, I'm not ready at all. I was so nervous. So then the boy of the festival was like, you can go on the stage now because it's the time. So I took a deep breath in and out, and I went on stage. And I was there. I was like, I have to sing the first song. I have to focus. So during the first song, I always describe this feeling as, first of all, being focused on what are you singing and what are you saying, on how the sound is, on how many people are there, on controlling if you're nervous. But then I was nervous the first minute when I was on stage. And then I wasn't nervous anymore. I was more nervous before going on stage than when I was actually there. The second song I sang was perfect to me, the version that I have in Catalan. I always have the feeling that my audience, all of them, knows the song perfect because I always sing it. I mess it up a little bit with the lyrics of Perfect to Me. They put a smoke to make the pictures look better, and the smoke was just like I was eating the smoke, and it was really annoying, and I just got confused thinking the smoke that I was eating. And yeah, I don't know. Then I sang 3 songs that were original by me. I sang some covers of Catalan songs that I like, and yeah, it was really cool. There was enough people, so I didn't feel lonely. I had so much fun, and the experience was so great. I always have this feeling that going on stage really helped me to improve as a person, as a singer, as a songwriter. And I have this feeling that every time I go on stage, I feel like I want to go again, and that I feel like I want to go again. I feel like that was all for today. I really hope you like it, and if you like it, just let me know. Bye!